A short story of Ashwathama. Let's know about Ashwathama's story in short here. If we miss any points here, please let us know in comments. Story of Ashwathama. Ashwathama, the son of Drona and Kripi, is a complex character in the Mahabharata, India's epic poem. His story is one of loyalty, vengeance, and ultimately, a heavy curse. Birth and early life. Born after Drona's intense penance to Lord Shiva, Ashwathama possessed immense talent in warfare. He was said to be almost invincible, with a divine gem on his forehead granting him various protections. He trained alongside the Pandavas and Kauravas under his father, Drona, and became a skilled warrior. The Kauravas champion. Ashwathama formed a close bond with Duryodhan, the eldest Kaurava prince. He pledged his loyalty to the Kauravas and fought alongside them in the Kurukshetra war, the epic clash between the Pandavas and Kauravas. Ashwathama's prowess on the battlefield was a major threat to the Pandavas. The fall of Drona and Ashwathama's rage. Drona, deceived by a false announcement of Ashwathama's death, killing an elephant named Ashwathama while claiming to Drona that it was Drona's son who was killed and he lost his will to fight. The Pandavas then killed him. Ashwathama, consumed by rage and grief, vowed revenge. The unholy act and the curse. After the war's official end, Ashwathama, along with Kripa and Kaurava survivors, attacked the Pandav camp at night. In this act, he brutally killed the remaining sleeping soldiers, including Dhritarashtra's sons. He even used the powerful and forbidden weapon, the Narayanastra, which could not distinguish between friend and foe. Krishna, the Pandav advisor, intervened. The most controversial act by Ashwathama came when he tried to use the Brahmastra, a weapon of mass destruction, on Uttara, the wife of Abhimanyu, who was pregnant with Parikshit, the future heir of the Pandavas. Krishna intervened again, but the curse remained. The Brahmastra targeted the unborn child, but Krishna used his divine power to save the baby. Ashwathama was cursed by Krishna with immortality, a fate worse than death, forever burdened by the weight of his actions. Ashwathama's redemption. Ashwathama, condemned to wander the earth forever, eventually sought forgiveness from Lord Shiva. He spent years in penance, shading his gem and divine powers. There are different interpretations of his eventual fate, but the core message is that Ashwathama's story serves as a cautionary tale about the destructive nature of rage and the importance of atonement.